Who doesn't like your living space filled with greenery? I think the greener the space, the livelier it feels. Plants not only make the surrounding space beautiful and tranquil but also eliminate toxins from the air. Surrounding yourself with plants is a simple and effective way to improve your mental health. As they say, plants make people happy. So why not add many plants to your home? So today I will be talking about how you can keep maximum house plants in creative and stylish way in your home. My first suggestion is to keep common house plants. If you love plants but don't have more time or knowledge, or if you are a new plant parent, then I would suggest go for common, hardy, easy to care for plants like money plant, spider plant, ZZ plant, syngonium, snake plants. All these plants can be grown in low to medium light and you can water them once or twice in a week. Actually, it depends on several factors such as soil mix, weather, location, so it would be better if you follow finger test method. Before watering any plant, poke your finger into the soil. If soil stick to your finger, no need to water. If soil doesn't stick, it's time to water. The houseplants that I mentioned, including money plant, spider plant, syngonium, dog ZZ plant or snake plant, all these plants are very hardy, doesn't require much maintenance, and they come in small to medium in size, so you can keep them on TV unit and shelves. To create more drama and interest, you can keep this plant in a group of a number in 3 or 5 at different heights. Houseplant grouping doesn't need to come from the same family. Mix them however you like. I prefer different leaf shapes, textures and heights together. Also, to make your entrance more inviting, you can keep tall houseplant like areca palm or tall snake plant in nice decorative catch pot. The next point is to add lush tropical plants like palms, monstera or fiddle leaf fig. Think about creating your own version of indoor garden. I love tropical plants. They are beautiful living decor complements. They bring bright colors and freshness to your living space. A single tall plant can add much needed drama and character without cluttering the space. You can keep one tall palm or fiddle leaf next to your sofa or in corner to fill that blank space. Once you find the right location for them, they will grow fast. Areca palm or fiddle leaf fig tree is the perfect standalone tropical plant. Their beauty, height and huge foliage are statement on their own. Similarly, Monstera deliciosa is one of my favorite tropical plants. I love its massive, unique leaves that instantly add jungle vibes to any space. They are modern and trendy. Place them in nice catch pot or boho style basket. I have made a few videos on Monstera care tips and propagation methods. You can check them out for more details. Most of these tropical plants are from tropical rainforest areas, so they love humidity. Frequently misting is good option to maintain humidity. You can mist them twice a week depending on the season, but if you live in drier climate, then consider using humidifier to maintain the humidity around plants. My third suggestion is to add more hanging plants. I really love plants that grow and hangs down. They make anything look so beautiful. It is so interesting to watch their growth. There are many trendy options to display your hanging plants to enjoy their falling or cascading look. Hang group of plants in front of your window or balcony. Great light for your plants and all natural privacy screen for you, and use sheer curtain to protect them from too much direct sunlight. However, if you just focus on wall hangers, macrame plant hangers are great, inexpensive and easy option. The beauty of macrame plant hangers is that they are piece of art themselves and they can enhance the charm of the plant they are supporting. Also keep in mind that you might have to take down your plant to water it, so don't hang too high. Hanging plants are really great option to add special charm and greenery to your home, especially if you are short on horizontal space. The tabletop houseplant is another good option for decorating your living space. You can easily keep any one houseplant on the top of any flat surface and they enhance the beauty of the room. Some of the best plants for tabletop are spider plant, syngonium, alocasia, pothos, Chinese money plant and peace lily. To enhance their beauty, you can pick any cute planter or minimalistic pot as per the decor of your living room. My next suggestion is to keep plants on windowsill. I love to keep my small pretty handy plants on windowsill where they receive ample natural light throughout the day. Use natural light for growing plants. It is the perfect spot for displaying variety of small plants. Believe me, windowsill filled with lush growing tiny house plant make huge impact. Recently I made separate video on this plant that you can grow on windowsill. You can check out that later. Next point is create miniature gardens. If you are willing to go the little extra mile, then miniature gardens are an interesting way to display several plants together. It can be unique and wonderful live decor piece that you can keep anywhere in your home. I love to create miniature garden setups. They are fun to create, easy to take care of. All you need is little creativity. This miniature garden I made few months back and now you can see the growth of these succulents. They are growing like a weed. One important point while creating such miniature garden is select such kind of plants that need similar kind of care. Here I have used all succulents. They need same light, water and soil mixture. So it is easy for me to take care of this garden. Propagating plant in glass bottle or any beautiful looking vessel is actually a great idea to fill your home with greenery. It is fun and easy way to grow your plant collection and the monsoon is the right time for it. You can keep these bottles on shelf or windowsills because I think they look really pretty. Here I have Monstera deliciosa cutting. I enjoy watching the roots grow and if anything goes wrong with any cutting, if it starts rotting or dying, I can replace it. Next point is use decorative catch pot. The decor of your living room is not complete by just keeping some indoor plants. The proper placing of these plants along with the choice of pots as per the overall decor of the living room area also matters a lot. You can select ceramic pots, cane planters, wooden planters or jute basket for boho vibes. Choose according to your home interior. For living room, I would suggest adding plants by layering some tall plants in the corner. Then some trailing plants in windows or on shelfies and some small plants on the tabletop. That's all for today's video. I hope you find these tips helpful. Thanks for watching and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Garden Vibes. And for more green updates and plant care tips, do follow us on Instagram. See you soon. Till then, take care and happy gardening.